Well, everyone I know right now is sniffling or sneezing or coughing or doing something. I wasn't trying to shame Carmen because I too took allergy medicine this morning. But Scott, you were talking about the pollen count. I mean, it's up there.
Yeah, it's a mess right now. It's in the high category today, tomorrow continuing. And the reason is it's kind of twofold. We have these really breezy conditions and also really warm air, which allows those allergens to just hang out in the atmosphere a bit more. I'll have the updated pollen count coming up a little bit later on. But right now at 5:18, we have 50 degrees. Our winds are the southwest at 12 miles per hour. So it's a mild morning for you as you're stepping out of the door on this Tuesday morning. In some spots, still some of our outlying locations, a little bit chilly that you might need the sweatshirt. We are sitting in the upper 40s in Athens. To Palestine, still live update there in Athens at 46. It is 44 in Mineral Wells to 45 in Bowie, 50 in Denton to 46 in McKinney. Across the Metroplex, slightly cooler right now in Burleson, 48. Good morning to you. 49 Lancaster to 46 in Mesquite to 49 in Terrell to 54 in Greenville. So as we go through the day today, we'll see a lot of sunshine, clear skies in place. 48 degrees, warming to about 53 degrees by 9 by the time we get to 10. 58 degrees on the way. On our way up today to temperatures that will warm into the low 80s right around 3 to 4 o'clock, about 80 to 82 degrees. Our winds a bit breezy out of the south to the southwest at times near 10 to 20 miles per hour. All right, going into tomorrow, you saw earlier that we have the severe threat risk, now level 2 out of 5 levels. That slight risk of severe storms does include the east sides of Dallas County, Collin County, and northeast for the potential of some isolated storms that could break the cap. And this is ahead of a dry line that moves its way in from west to east. So here we are going into tomorrow. You'll see that mix of sun and clouds greeting you, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. 5 to 6 o'clock, we might see a couple of isolated showers and storms pop up. This forecast model is even drier, but I'm still watching the potential that we could see a couple of those storms get going. The better dynamics are further to the east, and then other than that, we're remaining nice and dry. But that dry air that's in place and those dry conditions means that the fire danger, it's going up. Through Thursday, we do have this elevated fire threat because winds out of the west-southwest at 10 to 20, low to mid 80s for temperatures, humidity 15 to 25%, goes up to a critical fire danger threat going into Friday because of very windy conditions on the way. As you look at the first alert 7-day forecast, we're at 85 Thursday going into Friday. Windy conditions on the way. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 on the way for us. Popped out the wrong one there, but I can let you know that we're going to continue to see those winds really gusting for us. And then the dry line, you can also see that dry line starts to push its way on in, and we're going to be dealing with that dry air in place. So behind it, temperatures in the low 70s for the weekend. Ahead of this cold front that's on the way. It's a dry frontal passage, but on Friday, we can see winds gusting up to near 45 miles per hour or higher, and there's really dry conditions in place.
Oh, yeah, that's significant.